Valentine's Day, the most romantic event of the year. It's the occasion where lovers express their love for each other, whether giving flowers or sending greeting cards. Hi guys, today I will be doing a very simple and romantic makeup that's very easy to follow. My name is Christina and welcome back to my channel. First, I am applying this Lilly Cosmetics The True Cream Moisturizing Balm. And I will be using my Carroty eyeshadow palette for this look, and take the shade called Whisper using my MAC Cosmetics 224 brush and blend it all over my eyelids. Then I will be taking this brown shade called Unsafe using my Sigma E25 blending brush and apply it on the outer corner of my crease and slowly blend it towards to the inner corner of the eye. Next, I will be taking this dark brown eyeshadow called Nimbus using Nars Small Tapered blending brush and apply the color on the outer V of my eye and slowly build up the color to create more depth. Then I will be taking my MAC Cosmetics 217 blending brush to slowly blend the colors. Then I am taking my Sigma Beauty Firm Shader Brush E57 and I'm going to apply again the light shade which is called Whisper to soften up the look of the eyeshadow. Then I will take my Stila Cosmetics liquid eyeliner to line my upper lash line. I've got this from my Ipsy bag and this is the first time I've used this product. Do short feathery strokes to fill in any gaps. Next, I will be using Sigma Cosmetics Mascara and fill in my lashes. Next, the foundation. I will be using Kogan Do Aqua Foundation. This is a weightless foundation and will also give you a dewy finish. This is one of my favorite foundations, especially if you wanted to just achieve that glowy look without putting too much effort. Then I will be taking my Physicians Formula Insta Ready Concealer using my Sigma Beauty F75 concealer brush. Since this is a full coverage concealer, I only need a tiny bit of amount. You may add more if you must, but depending on your under eye condition. Then, I will be setting my foundation using Honest Beauty Invisible Blurring Powder using my Sigma Beauty F20 Large Powder Brush and apply it to the areas of my face where I tend to get oily, mostly on the T-zone area. Then I'm going back to my Carroty palette and take the shade Unsafe using my Delium Tools 714 Flat Eye Defining Brush and apply it on my lower lash line, just to give a little definition to the eye. And I'm going to fill in my lash line using Sigma Mascara. Then I will be using Lilly Lashes for my false eyelash. Okay guys, this one doesn't have a name since it was one of those products that didn't pass their quality control, I guess. I bought these for $14, which is not bad because $29 is the regular price for these lashes. But if you're gonna ask me, it still looks good to me. Then I will be using Lisa Frank bronzer using my Sigma Beauty F05 small contour brush. I also got this bronzer from the monthly subscription from Ipsy. And for my blush, I will be taking the Sigma blush in Cor de Rosa using my Sigma Beauty Powder Blush F10 and apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Then I will be taking my latest favorite highlighter, the Kevyn Aucoin Neo Limelight Highlighter, using my F03 High Cheekbone Brush and apply it on the high points of my cheekbones. And last but not least, my newest favorite, and I'm really excited to use these. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Uncensored Liquid Lipstick. So far, this is the shade that's available. I do hope that she would release more colors because these are just amazing. Seriously guys, a little goes a long way. It's so pigmented and it doesn't feel like you have anything on at all. The packaging itself just kind of reminds me of a nail polish bottle. But hey, it's really good product. There you have it guys, you're now ready for that romantic date on this Valentine's Day. Please feel free to like if you like it, subscribe if you haven't already. Until my next video, have fun, bye!